Hey guys, welcome to Team Coding Plaza. Today we are going to looking into the concepts of PWD in the Linux commands with Windows, right? So it is not only with Windows and I told you right, so it is with the Linux also along with that. So in last video we have covered that listing. Here we are going to cover that PWD print working directory. Okay, by seeing this screenshot itself we came to know that how outcome will be there. So it is called where we are working in the directory. Okay, so going to next slide that here we are going to cover the topics that basic usage of PWD and absolute versus relative path. We have to know that right, which path we are working. It's not the Windows like you graphical user interface. Okay, it is command line interface. No, so that's why we have to know which path we are working. Everything we have to know. Then why is PW is important. Okay, then summary. So these are the four concepts we are going to cover. Let's start. And coming to basic usage of pwd, the pwd command stands for print working directory. Okay, the full form is that print working directory. It means in the word itself it is their working directory, right? So in which directory you are going to work or you are working already. Okay, so it's like fully command line based, so that we have to know which directory and which path we are there. That then only we can able to decide to perform the operations like cd command or else move command, different things. Okay, so don't drag this. And here to check current directory, simply type pwd. Okay, here you can see in screenshot that how it is there. Home mobax. So earlier I told you right, mobax term already I have made a video how to set up in Windows. So you can able to go through that and you can see how we have to use this, and then we'll try this in real time. Okay, see here I'm going to type this pwd. Okay, so see in which path I am there. First I explain you ls y means we have to list the files here, bro. So which path we are there. So here see home mabax term, in this path this many files are there. Okay, so here already showing, but some of the terminals it won't show, just it will show like symbol, like greater than symbol. Okay, that's it. And then I want to check this path means pwd. If I'm clicking I can check the path. Okay, I want to move to desktop, right? So desktop I'm giving. Here if I'm clicking the pwd means, yeah, the path has been came, right? Home mobile and I have been moved to desktop. Here it is useful to confirm which path we are there. Okay, so this is what the real time example. And this means you are currently inside the mobile action as I explained you. Okay, then after absolute versus relative path, there is two different path will be there. Okay, so you have to know about the difference of that path and what is the importance in the pwd. Understanding the paths is crucial when using the pwd. And the absolute path, what it means, a full directory path that starts from the root. Okay, the root path onwards. Okay, like C drive you are starting, you are going to 10 folders. Okay, you are clicking on the top of the C drive means you will see the full path, right? That's called absolute path. Normally you will see. And coming to relative path, a shorter path relative to your current directory. Okay, it's like your current directory only. So where you are there, like I will move to desktop, no? So desktop is my relative path. That is the relative path. That's what, when you are checking in desktop, desktop only will be shown. That is called relative path. And absolute path means when you are moving to different inner folders in the, any of the drive in the Windows. So that's called absolute path. That's it. That is what the real time example I can able to show you. And along with that, since pwd always returns an absolute path, it helps to understand your exact location in the system. Okay, the exact location coming to starting from root means where, assume that is C drive. So from that how we are starting and we are coming to which folder, so we can able to go back, we can able to come forward, different things we can do by knowing the from starting to end. Okay, it is the importance of this pwd. And along with that later, and why is pwd is important. And it is important. Okay, helps confirm your current directory before running commands like cd, rm or move, right? These commands I will explain in coming videos also. This is the second video. First of all I am going to cover the basic command which is going to use in advanced level. There is a serial I am following. Okay, then only you will be learn very easily. And here cd rm move means chain directory and remove command and moving from one folder to one folder, like cut and paste we are doing, no? and we are deleting the file, and we are changing the directory from one directory. So here everything we are using commands in Linux, right? So that's what, to confirm the directory, which directory we are there. So to you pwd will be used. Okay, before doing these operations we'll check. After changing the directory you will check, no, so which directory you have been moved, and before removing you have to check which directory you are there, you are removing proper file or not, we are moving to proper directory or not, like that. Okay, useful in scripting and automation to check working directories dynamically. Okay, useful in scripting and automation to check working directories dynamically. Okay, so scripting and automation means here Linux scripting, shell scripting, one concept will be there in the Linux. Okay, so that scripting we will use for automations purpose to perform multiple commands. Like one command executing is a hectic, right? So we'll what we'll do means we'll execute multiple commands at a time. So using the shell scripting, okay, at that time it will be very useful. Dynamically we'll fetch the path and we'll confirm the path is correct or not. Then we'll be move forward. Okay, and prevent accidental modification in the wrong directory. Okay, it will prevent accidental modification in the wrong directory. It means that if you are removing file, or else if you are moving one file to another directory, so you have to confirm, right? What pwd will do means it will help you to confirm, okay, I'm the correct path. So that from that path to another path I'm going to move, you have to give the path, right, when you are giving moving the file, right? So it will be useful very much. And then coming to final step, so the pwd command prints the full directory path. Okay, so it will print the absolute path. Keep in mind that absolute path, relative path. Relative path means the current directory path, the holder name, that's it. And absolute path means it will be the full from root onwards, it will be start. And next point is that it always provides an absolute path. Okay, helps users to navigate and avoid errors in the file management. So these are the summary of the pwd. Summary means the benefits of the pwd. I hope you guys, it is a small concept, only small thing, but I have elaborated to explain the how absolute path will, how means relative path will work. Okay, so and it will help you to cover the interview questions also. Along with that, some questions will come that what is relative path, what is the absolute path. So the difference will be in terminology, in Linux terminology I have shown you. Okay, I hope this session has been covered a lot for you and you got some idea about the pwd command. And coming forward video we are going to cover the cd command. Okay, so after this I will explain you how cd command will be work. I hope this video helps you a lot. Okay, thank you for watching the video and full video. Please, you guys are don't subscribe, and you are not subscribing my channel, and please subscribe and share and like, and please comment, leave a one comment, how the and how I have to improve the teaching, and it will be speed, and I have to control the speed, everything. So I know that somewhat and speed I am going because the lengthier videos are not interested to see by a fresher or anyone, but I will try to handle this in the middle way. Yeah, thanks for the watching video. Please like, subscribe and share. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.